friends, and we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to turn on and turn off the dark mode on your Instagram account. So if this topic is interesting for you, let's go to the bottom. Okay, so let's open our app, and the first and the most convenient way to turn on this mode is to go to our Instagram settings. And so let's tap on the profile icon, which you can find on the bottom panel of the screen. As you can see, we are here on the Needful page. Later, let's tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen to go to the settings. And using the search bar, you can smoothly find the dark mode feature here, but let's check the result. Dark. As you can see on our profile, we cannot find this mode on the list. So we have a real problem because, as an example, I really want to have this dark mode turned on for my account, for my profile. So how can I do this? And we have a cool solution for you. So repeat our settings right now. And remember that these customizations I will show you really work on iPhones and also on Android, but remember that right now we have iPhone, so I just need to go to the notification panel in this way, and I just need to hold down the brightness settings here, the brightness settings icon, because the whole Instagram settings and customizations depends on the phone settings. So this really works on Android too, but you have to do it in another way using the settings application or notification panel, which looks in another way. But on iPhones, you just need to, as I said before, hold on the brightness icon and tap on the dark mode feature here to activate this feature. Later, let's tap on the free space again. And as you can see, our Instagram app really have the activated dark mode too, because as I said before, it depends on our phone settings also. So in this way you can successfully deactivate this dark mode after holding on the same icon, the same shortcut, and clicking on this first button. Yes, so I have it added also on the panel, but if you don't have it here, you just only need to hold on this brightness icon. And this is very convenient way, but in the same way, using the notification panel, the quick settings menu, you can do it on Android too. I hope that this video was really helpful, and right now you know how to manage this dark mode on your account, on your Instagram account. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out more cool tricks and secrets about the Instagram and other apps. And have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.